In this video, we're taking a look at retractable USB-C cables. These are ideal for travel because you can retract them and throw them in your bag and be good to go, and they take very little space. Even around the house, I like to use them because I retract them and they don't get all tangled with each other. With the traditional cables, you spend time, wrapping them up, but once you put them together, they'll start to tangle with themselves. So you don't have any of those issues with the retractable cables, and this one in particular is really nice. In addition to having a unique design on these do support data transfer. And as you see in the case, there are multiple adapters in there. We're getting a micro USB adapter, a USB-A adapter, and an iPhone adapter. In addition to that, there are two storage slots in the case, one for a SIM card and another one for a micro SD card. And then across the bottom is actually the SIM extractor tool, so you can actually swap out your SIM card as well. Again, this is ideal for travel. But wait, there's more. These actually feature a kickstand built into the case. So say you're on an airplane and you're watching a movie. Well, instead of holding your phone in your hand, you can pull out that kickstand and throw your phone on it, and you're good to go. You can enjoy your movie in peace. So now that you're convinced that you want this cable, let's talk about price. This is a 2-pack for $6.99, which is actually very affordable. But one of the little drawbacks here is that this is only supporting 60 watts of power delivery. You can get other cables such as this one. This one supports 100 watts. I've actually been using it for a few months on a Bitcoin miner 24/7, and while it does get a little bit hot, it hasn't failed on me yet. So just because cables are retractable doesn't mean they're unreliable. And since I do like to test things within my videos, let's go ahead and make sure that we're getting that advertised 60 watts on these cables. So I have a travel adapter here. Across the bottom are regular USB ports, but be sure to plug this into a power delivery port so you can take advantage of the 60 watts. So we'll plug this in to our AC power here, and we'll pull this out. And you hear it click each time? Well, that's how you use these retractable cables. So every time you hear it click, you can stop pulling and it will stay in that position. And if you want to retract it, you pull it again until you hear it click, and then you'll be able to retract it back into place. These cables are 3 feet long, as you can see. So I'll plug this into the power delivery, and the other end I'll plug into this power bank, and we'll be able to see what kind of wattage we're getting out of this. So it takes a second for it to negotiate, and we're seeing it go up 30, 40, 45, 60, no, not quite 60. So you see we're getting 56. So this is advertised for 60 watts, and we're getting just under that, but for me that is acceptable. So one other tip here, because these are only 3 feet long, another thing you can do is we'll unplug this here. We can actually combine cables. This is a 2-pack, so you can also buy these little coupler devices, and then you can put these two cables together. So I'll extend this out, plug this into the power bank, and then plug this into the coupler. You'll see this light up, so you'll know that this is good, and we should still be able to see that we're pulling that nearly 60 watts on here. So even with these two cables together, we are getting 55 watts from our travel adapter into our power bank. And since I did not show it, when you're done with the cable, you can put these cables right back into the sides here. So it makes it very sleek. The front cover is held on with a magnet, so you can simply open from that side with the magnet. It pulls up. You can pull out these pieces. There's the USB-C, you just put that on the end, plug it to your computer. When you're done, throw it back into the case and close the cover. And because it is magnetic, you don't have to worry about it opening. I can turn this upside down and it's not opening. So you'll need to have a little bit of a nail there, that way you can lift it up from that magnet. But having the magnet is nice, so you don't have to worry about it opening it up on you. So with that, I do have affiliate links down in the description. I purchased these using my own money, But if you use the Amazon affiliate links, I do make a commission from those, even if you end up buying a different product. And since I do buy all of these products using my own money, I do greatly appreciate if you use those affiliate links so I can keep purchasing things that I probably shouldn't have purchased. But in this case, I'm very happy with my purchase. And if you have any questions about the product, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. And with that, thank you for watching. And if you want more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.